One. One. One means egg. One means egg. Two. Two means dough. Two means dough. Three. Three means teen. Three means teen. Number four. Four. Four means jar. Four means jar. Five. Five means sponge. Six. Six means chair. Six means chair. Seven. Seven means sad. Seven means sad. Eight. Eight means add. Eight means add. Nine means no. 10 means does. 10 means does. 11 means 11. 12 means 12. 13. 13 means 13. 14. 15. 16. 16 means 16. 17. 18. 18. 19. 20. 1. 1. 1 means egg. 1 means egg. 2. 2 means dough. 2 means dough. 3. 3 means thin. 3 means thin. 4. 4 means jar. 4 means jar. 5. 5 means sponge. 5 means sponge. 6. 6 means chair. 6 means chair. 7. 7 means sad. 8. 8 means add. 9. 9 means no. 10. 10 means does. 11. 11 means 11. 12. 12 means bara, 13, 13 means tera, 14, 14 means 14 15 means 15 16 means 16 17 means 17 18 means 18 means 20 19 means 19 20 means 20 A for aeroplane, A for apple, B for ball, B for balloon, B for ball, C for chair, C for cat, D for doctor, D for dog, D for drum, E for elephant, E for eraser, F for fish, F for fruits, G for gun, G for giraffes, H for hen, H for head, I for ice cream, I for ink, J for jellyfish, J for juice, K for king, K for kite, L for lion, L for lemon, A for apple, apple means seb, B for ball, ball means gand, C for cat, cat means billy, D for dog, dog means kutta, E for elephant, elephant means hathi, F for fish, fish means machli, G for gun, gun means banduk, H for hen, hen means murgi, I for ice cream means ice cream, J for jellyfish, jellyfish means jellyfish, K for king, king means raja, L for lion, lion means save. A for apple, A for ant means chithi, ant means chithi, B for ball, B for balloon, B for ball, B for balloon. C for chair, C for chair, C for cat. D for doctor, D for dog. E for elephant, E for eraser. F for fish. G for gun, G for grapes. H for hand, hand means murgi. I for ice cream. J for jackpot. K for king. L for lion.